There are plenty of ways to make money online. Some are more practical and easier than others. With Twitter, there are more opportunities than ever to generate some extra income. Some people have even made all their money just from Twitter. But you don't need to be a social media whiz-kid to make this happen. All it takes is some creativity and, of course, time. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos to help you make money and give you the life you want. So here are some steps you need to think about before you start to make money from Twitter. Step 1. Decide on a niche. I know you've heard it from us before several times, but it is so important. Having a niche is vital. We feel you can't be successful without one. Everyone has different interests and opinions, so one message does not fit all. The best way to know if your message is effective is to have a niche, because a niche allows you to target specific groups of people instead of trying to reach everyone. Your niche can be whatever you want. Make sure it's something you have an interest in or are passionate about, because you'll be talking about it a lot. Make sure you can promote weekly, twice weekly, or even daily. If you can do that, then set yourself up as an expert in this niche. If photography is your niche, you can then show your Twitter followers how easy it is to take great photos. Stun your followers with breathtaking images, or you could create craft items and share your samples that make people want to do the same. Once your followers start to see the quality of your work and the high skill level, they will trust the product that you are selling. Step 2. Once you have a niche, you then need to create that perfect product for your niche. The kind of product you make depends on your niche. You want to do something you know your target audience wants and needs, such as a photographer, their pictures, or a painter doing the same. If you don't know what kind of product will sell, sometimes the best thing to do is ask. Tweet your followers and ask them about potential products if they'd buy one from you. Step 3. Pick an online store to sell those products. The right online store is just as important as creating the perfect product. You want to choose a platform that caters to your needs as a seller. There are a lot out there, so make sure you know them all and the benefits they offer. For example, a platform like Etsy is great if you have handmade items to sell. But if you want to add your images to different items, then Redbubble might work better for you. Step 4. Promote your products on Twitter. This is where Twitter comes in. After you have your store set up and your products listed, you can start making sales on Twitter. There are a variety of ways you could sell your products on Twitter. The most straightforward is posting about them. Simply post when you launch a new product, remind your followers what you are selling, or even reply to threads where your products could be a related topic. Always remember to include the link in your tweets, and putting a link to your store in your bio is vital. Promote your products by using sales and discounts, promoting a coupon code or a specific discount that you can link to can significantly increase the amount of traffic and sales your product gets. Offering upsells once they get there to your online store also helps. Having the perfect product doesn't have to be complicated and take a lot of time to create. In fact, you may already have the right product to sell. Think about anything you have created just for you to use. This could be a photography template, a design, or a craft pattern. Any of these are sellable products. To make money from these, all you have to do is set up your store and upload your products. If you don't have anything like this, consider repurposing content into a sellable product. Take a series of blog posts and compile them into a helpful ebook. Take a video tutorial and break it down into visual PDF guides. Start thinking about the things that you already do on your regular basis, because you might not realize how many products you have already at your disposal. How else could you earn money on Twitter? Here's a few more tips. Crowdsource. Crowdsource is the practice of soliciting ideas and contributions from a large group or community. With Twitter, crowdsourcing is an effective way to bring in contributions from your followers in order to fund your business or idea. This is especially useful in tandem with something like Kickstarter. Crowdsourcing can make you plenty of money, or at least capital, but only if it is done correctly. Read up on plenty of successful case studies before attempting to start your first project. Produce your own Twitter-related service. Your audience is on Twitter, which means you already know what they are using in their free time. Take advantage of this by creating a Twitter product that they will want. For example, a lot of Twitter users would like to use an app that lets them generate hashtags automatically based on popularity. If this already exists, you could develop a better product that your followers will love. Alternatively, you could use websites like Fiverr to charge people for building their Twitter presence, say $10 per 100 followers. Use sponsored tweets. Do you know you can actually charge businesses for your tweets or sponsored tweets? You can find sponsors who will pay you to tweet about their products for a fee you arrange. Just make sure that you watch what you tweet on the side. There are loads of people who've been kicked off for what they have tweeted, and the same goes for losing relationships with your sponsors. Also, don't do it all the time. Have a combination of fun and interesting stuff along with your salesy type things. Discover new leads. Thanks to Twitter's fantastic search engine tool, you can seek out potential customers based on their bios and what they are tweeting. Let's say you sell art stuff. You can find new leads by searching for art and art suppliers. From there, you can tweet at the individual and let them know the things you do. You could then offer them a coupon code if they're interested. Hold a Twitter contest. Nothing engages people quite as effectively as a prize. Try linking up with your local business who wants some publicity. Offer to hold a contest with Twitter and be paid a percentage of the sales that come in. There are lots of fun and creative ways to make a contest enticing for followers. You can ask them to be judges, crowdsource them for ideas, or simply ask them to favourite or retweet something. Use YouTube. If you're good with videos, then consider making Twitter-related tutorials that people are searching for on Twitter. With AdSense, you can monetize your YouTube content and make money based on your Twitter expertise. Ads. Twitter has the ability to monetize tweets and videos. All you have to do is visit the Media Studio and apply to see if you are eligible. From there, you just have to change a couple of settings, such as what kind of ads you want to be shown with your content, and you will get paid when they roll before your videos or tweets. This makes it very simple for all kinds of Twitter accounts to start making money. Affiliate marketing. You could also get into affiliate marketing by signing up for affiliate programs that feature brands you know your audience will love. Tweet about the products and services using your personal affiliate link, telling everyone why they should buy it. When your followers click on the link and make a purchase, you will earn a small commission for directing them to that product or service. We hope this video has given you a taste to try Twitter to make money. It's easier than you think. Please leave a comment below if you use Twitter and have any other ways to make money. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.